up, guys? So, in case you didn't know, on my second channel, I've been posting a lot of drone footage lately, and I had a cool idea. I thought it could be cool if I opened up an email account for the sole purpose of receiving drone footage videos from you guys that you have taken yourself, and then I would post them on my drone footage YouTube channel in exchange for a shout out to your channel. And if it's cool enough, I might even post it on this, my main channel. So if you have cool drone footage that you have taken, then you can email it to me if you want to at dronefootagesubmissions@gmail.com. And if the file is too big to email me, then you can just email me a link to the file on your Google Drive or OneDrive account if you want to. Oh, and also don't forget to put in the email the channel that you want me to give a shout out to, and I will give a shout out to it and publicly subscribe to it on my drone footage YouTube channel. I think this could be a really cool thing, and I hope you think so too. I'm really excited about it, so go ahead and send me your drone footage now. Sorry this was a shorter video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.